BMW introduces your BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, the soul of your BMW.
Hello, BMW. How do I activate the high beam assistant?
He is there when things don't go your way.
Hey BMW, I just want to relax.
If you like, you can give him a name. It will be his personal activation word.
Hey Joy.
Hello BMW, turn on executive mode please.
Whatever the situation, whatever your mood, you can simply feel at ease.
Hi BMW, activate expressive mode.
Or let the fun begin. This is your BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant, the revolution of driving pleasure, always by your side.
Hey Chris, call Michael Garcia.
Calling Michael Garcia on the unknown number.
Play the sky from Psalm Trees. Hey Chris, send a text message to Brian Roca.
What is the message you want to send?
See you at the lake.
Sending it now. You have a new text message from Brian Roca.
Take me to the yacht club.
Starting navigation to 0 West 17.
I'll drop Jacob off tomorrow after school.
I think you'd have a hard time to come across a more warm, family-like partnership between two companies, and that's Nvidia and Audi. We've been at this for a good part of about 10 years, and we have really been hand in hand shaping the future of the automotive industry. If you look at the Google Earth that we introduced together back in 2010, if you look at virtual cockpit and what we achieved there, and of course both of our companies are very interested in automated piloted driving. This car has a very special set of sensors and a camera, and it's utilizing the Nvidia hardware inside as well as artificial intelligence. And so it is actually learning the course as it's going. And with that knowledge, it is able to actually drive autonomously around. And then halfway throughout the demo, there is an obstacle that is brought into it. It recognizes there is now an obstacle, and it drives around it in a different kind of course. All of that, again, is done by the vehicle itself, and it just shows how powerful this technology could be in the real world. Artificial intelligence is absolutely crucial in achieving the next generations of autonomous driving. That's for two reasons. Number one, it's much safer, and number two, it will allow us to get there a lot quicker because we have this data and we have the robust experience of all these different cars out there that will enable us to have this technology a lot quicker than we would otherwise have. We have announced that we will be doing the Z-Fast in the next generation A8, which will be coming to the global market this year in 2017. To the US market, it will come in early 2018. And then, of course, the next big step for us is that we will have the artificial intelligence with level 4 automation available in the marketplace by 2020. If you look at our partnership and what we've achieved over the years, it's been absolutely exemplary. And now I think it's really, really exciting to look at the new frontier that we are embarking on together, and that is, of course, autonomous driving.
You know when you're with friends, when you only use their first names.
Welcome, Benedict.
Hello, MG.
MG Hector. It's a human thing.
Hello, MG. Open sunroof.
Pardon?
When's the last time anyone said that to you? Please open sunroof.
MG Hector. It's a human thing.
Feels good to be able to look after each other. Even from a distance.
Turning on AC.
MG Hector. It's a human thing.
What makes us human? Sometimes it feels like we've forgotten. Maybe we can learn again. From someone who's been learning from us.
Welcome, Benedict.
Learn to recognize each other. Hello, MG. Turn on AC.
Turning on AC.
Learn to listen and respond to each other. Hello, MG. Play my favorite music.
Playing your favorite music.
Learning to learn about each other. Say hello to the family, Hector. Open sunroof. Very obliging. Thanks, Hector. That was fun. It's a human thing.
早上好。
早 ，Nomi。
我们出发吧。嗨，Nomi。
播放上一首歌。
没问题。声音大一些。
Nomi， 我们来张合影吧。
好的，准备好了吗？3、2、1 ，Nomi。
你看脸啊！
Nomi，我们回家吧。
10分钟后到家。